edition of Jordan Brand's iconic LUKA.77 model of Luka Doncic was released for the K54, the biggest street basketball competition in the world, which took place in Paris, France. The LUKA.77 K54 model aptly captures the essence of the spirit and street culture of the occasion. Eye-catching black and toured yellow make up the striking color scheme. A balance between lightness and support is ensured by the overlap of the matte textured synthetic sections and the breathable black mesh upper. The shoe's yellow midsole, which boldly runs down the side, curves elegantly to provide a sense of dynamism and speed. The bright yellow finish on the outsole and heel counter makes it a striking color scheme on the court. Notable is the unique K54 emblem on the insole and heel. This emblem, which is positioned on the left and right, represents the tournament's global reach and distinctive presence, providing the wearer with a unique sensation of excitement.